Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, November 18th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 4.2. Honors math, we've got practice 4.3. Guys, remember, you have to get 30 minutes of MobyMax logged in and completed during the school week. There were quite a few of you last week that did not do that, even though it was on the homework chart and on the homework video every single day and was discussed in math class every single day. In science, there is no homework. Honors science, you do have a research paper that is due Wednesday. In social studies, there is no homework. However, remember, the citizen of my school is due by this Friday to Mr. Canfield. In language arts, there is no homework. However, we do have a week from today, next Monday, the 25th, we have a test on the writing process. So make sure you are preparing for that. In literature, we've got our Seed Folks book test this Thursday. Next Monday, we also have a test over literary devices and elements. And then also our book project is due Monday, November 25th. So even though there's not much homework for tonight, we still have stuff that we have coming up in the next week. So take advantage of the free time that you do have to get some things done, so we're not trying to do everything at the last minute. In CNL and FCS 6, there is no homework. It's going to be it for this Monday. Everyone have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.